Hamsters are small rodents that belong to the subfamily Chrysotini. They're famous worldwide as cute and friendly pets. Their compact size and curious nature make them beloved companions in many homes. There are about 18 recognized species of hamsters. Among them, the Syrian hamster and dwarf hamsters are the most common pets. Each species has unique traits, colors, and personalities. Hamsters are native to Europe and Asia. They were first discovered in Syria and parts of the Middle East. Wild hamsters still live in open fields, deserts, and farmlands. The Syrian hamster, also called the golden hamster, is actually the most popular pet species. It was domesticated way back in the 1930s. Today, almost every pet Syrian hamster can trace its roots back to a single female and her litter. Dwarf hamsters include species such as the Campbell's dwarf, winter white dwarf, Roborovsky, and Chinese hamsters. They are smaller and, well, more social than Syrian hamsters. Some can even live in pairs if introduced carefully. Hamsters are nocturnal animals. This means they are most active during the night. During the day, they prefer to sleep in their burrows or hideouts. In the wild, hamsters dig extensive burrows underground. These tunnels protect them from predators and harsh weather. Their burrows often contain separate rooms for nesting and food storage. Hamsters are natural hoarders. They use their cheek pouches to store food and carry it back to their burrows. This instinct is why pet hamsters often fill their hideouts with seeds and treats. Their cheek pouches are fascinating. They can expand to nearly double the size of the hamster's head. Hamsters are omnivores. They mainly eat seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Occasionally, they will eat insects for protein. In captivity, a balanced diet is crucial for their health. High-quality hamster pellets, fresh vegetables, and occasional fruits should be provided. Avoid sugary or toxic foods, such as chocolate or citrus. Hamsters need exercise to stay healthy. A running wheel is essential in every hamster cage. In the wild, they can run several miles in one night. Their cages should be spacious and enriched. Bedding, tunnels, chew toys, and hideouts help replicate their natural habitat. Hamsters also need materials like tissue paper or hay for nesting. Syrian hamsters are solitary by nature. Keeping two together can lead to fights, sometimes deadly. Dwarf hamsters, however, can sometimes live in groups if managed carefully. Hamsters have relatively short lifespans. On average, they live 2 to 3 years in captivity. Roborovsky dwarf hamsters may live slightly longer than Syrian hamsters. Breeding hamsters requires caution. Female hamsters can become aggressive toward males if not timed properly. They also have large litters, often producing 6 to 12 babies at once. Baby hamsters are born hairless and blind. They depend entirely on their mother during the first few weeks. Within 3 weeks, they begin eating solid food and exploring their surroundings. Hamsters rely heavily on scent to communicate. They have scent glands used to mark their territory. This helps them recognize their own space and avoid conflicts. Despite their small size, hamsters have sharp teeth. Their teeth continuously grow throughout their lives. Chew toys and safe wooden blocks are, really essential to prevent overgrowth. Hamsters are prey animals in the wild. Owls, snakes, foxes, and other predators often hunt them. Their natural instincts make them cautious and easily startled. Pet hamsters should be handled gently. Sudden movements or loud noises can stress them. With patience, they can become tame and actually enjoy human interaction. So, hamsters have really made appearances in culture and media, From toys to animated films, their undeniable cuteness has captured global attention. It's pretty fascinating how these little creatures have become such a big part of our cultural landscape. Interestingly, Hamsters have also been used in scientific research. Their biology makes them useful in studies related to genetics, reproduction, and diseases. However, they remain more popular as pets. Owners must understand that hamsters require responsibility. Regular cleaning of their cage, fresh food, and a safe environment are essential. A neglected hamster can quickly develop health issues. From their wild desert origins to cozy homes worldwide, hamsters have an incredible story. They combine curiosity, charm, and resilience in a tiny package. Above all, they remind us that even the smallest creatures can bring great joy.